Our video today is on YouTube education, and we are focusing on what you need to do to increase views when your channel is not getting enough views. Okay, this is based on experience because when I started my YouTube channel for the first 6 months, I hardly get 100 views every day, my total videos. But today, I do on average 3,500 views daily, all right, for the past 1 month. So I want to ship in the idea on what I did that made the views to increase. And I believe that if you integrate that into your own video, you will start getting a lot of views. One is this: check your description. What do you have in the description? If you don't have anything in your description, you may need to add some words there. Add some keywords that you know people may be searching for based on the title of your video. This has worked over the years. When people search for a particular title on YouTube algorithm scans through what you have in the description as well. So if there is a word that you have in the description that they have in what they're searching for, they're likely to show your video to them. Okay, so ensure that you write a description that has the keywords people are likely to search for. Then let me show you practically what I mean by this. Okay, here is the dashboard of my YouTube studio. So let me go to the content section to use one of these videos to experiment. Okay, this is my recently published video. So I will click on this for it to open the description and the title section. Okay, our interest here is on the description. Okay, you can see what I said here. In this video tutorial, learn the new way to turn off an iPhone that runs iOS 18 in 2024. All right, then I have this word switch off iPhone. Somebody may be searching for how to switch off iPhone and not how to turn off iPhone. I get in. This is a keyword, all right? So when people search for how to switch off iPhone, it may show up this because it has this keyword. Make sure that you look at what you have in the description. Okay, I go further and say this is an important tutorial. This is an important iPhone tutorial. Now, this keyword iPhone tutorial is being searched many times. And how did I know that? I'll place my browser here in incognito mode and then try searching iPhone tutorial. If it's being suggested to me, that means people are looking for iPhone tutorial. So let's do it practically. So I'll come here and click on these three dots. I'm using Google Chrome, all right? Then I'll get to the option New Incognito Mode. Then I'll visit google.com. Okay, on getting to this now, my PC is incognito mode, my browser is incognito mode, meaning that it doesn't track my previous searches, the history. So I'll click on this, stay sign out, then I'll start searching iPhone. I may start with the keyword iPhone to know what people search for that I will integrate in my own description. Okay, you can see here now iPhone 16 is there. And in that video, I'm talking about how to turn off an iPhone running iOS 16, iOS 18 operating system. All right. So in that video, I may say this still works if you want to turn off your iPhone 16. It's a keyword. All right. So when people search something that is related to iPhone 16, it may be shown to them. But here we are talking about iPhone tutorial. Let's know if something you can see iPhone tutorial is in line. So try and integrate keywords that people search for based on your title. It will help you a lot, okay, to get more views. Another point on how you can get more views on your YouTube channel is considering your title. How do you title your video? If you're a beginner on the platform, you may be titling your video wrongly. Yes. And when you discover this, you need to go ahead and make changes. For example, I have a video on the title iPhone User Guide. Maybe this video has been on the platform for more than a year and it's not getting view. And I know that people search for iPhone, how to navigate their way around in iPhone. Then I may need to go and change that title to how to use an iPhone or how to use an iPhone that runs iOS 18 or how to use iPhone 16. Are you getting it? So instead of iPhone user guide, it may mean that much people don't search for that particular keyword in the title. Then I would change it to how to use an iPhone or how to use iPhone 16. So that would be better off. And we try it out to see if it starts getting view. So there is no will I say rule that says that once you publish a title, you must leave it like that. No, you can change your titles, all right, sometimes to see the results you get. But before you make that change, please allow the video to stay on the platform for at least a year. All right. If it doesn't get that view you need, then go and change your title. There may be an improvement. This number 3 point is very important. Yes, create more videos. YouTube is becoming more competitive. More people want to make money on the platform. More people are coming in. But the truth is that not everybody will stay. So we live along the line. But please do more of your video creation. If you have been publishing once in a week, increase it to three. With time, you can increase to four. So let me tell you what I did. Before I was averaging, I think about 2 months ago, or let's say 3 months ago, I was averaging 3,000 views. 2,500 views, yes, every month, every day, sorry, on my channel. Then I did something. I decided, okay, let me push in more videos, more quality videos. And I started every day one video. I did this for 2 straight months. I know it's not going to be easy. I'm not telling you to do the same, but what I'm trying to say is increase your videos, okay? The videos to publish on the platform. So when I did this for straight 2 months, that means I did at least 60 videos in 60 days. This skyrocketed my average views to more than that 2,500 views per day. It increased to 3,500 views per day before I slowed down to 3 videos each week. So you may need to publish more and you will gain more views in return. That's it. How does your thumbnail look like? Is it attracting? When people look at your thumbnail, will it make them to click? Your thumbnail should be simple and attracting. I have over 2 videos on this channel on how to create YouTube video thumbnail. In fact, I will link the video in the description. If your thumbnail is not looking good, please change it. You can change the thumbnail, create a new one and change it. You can create something very nice, very attracting. Okay, take a look at the homepage on my channel. You see how the thumbnails are. All right, that makes people to click. If you have a wonderful video and your thumbnail is bad, you will not sell. People will not click to watch, to view the video. So take a look at what I have in the description and you can create something better. The first rule is this: don't have a lot of text clustered on your thumbnail. You can select few key points on the title. I get in it, check my own, you see. So you can have from 3 to 5 words on the title and make them bold and don't let them conflict with the image you have on the thumbnail as well, please. Okay, just something, pass a message, or sometimes you may not even need to have any text on that, depending on the kind of content you're creating. If you're into entertainment, you're creating comedy skits, sometimes you may not even need any thumbnail. But if it's education, you may need to add few keywords, all right? That will make people know what the video is all about before they click. And if you are using your face, maybe you are building a brand just like me. All right. If you're using your face in the thumbnail, then you can edit the picture well. If you cannot, go to studio, photo studio, let them snap a great, well edited picture of yours for you. You can have about 5 copies or three. You start using them. All right. So all these things I explained them in my video on thumbnail creation. Check the description and you will enjoy that. Okay. What type of video do you publish? It's important. All right. You can't use an educational channel to compare a comedy channel, entertainment channel. They cannot get the same number of views because when people relax, they watch more of entertainment. Your own people may come to your channel when they want to learn a specific something. So, for example, somebody wants to learn how to use Microsoft Word. He searches it on YouTube and he shows them or shows the person that I have a video on that. Then he gets and watch the video on how to use Microsoft Word. So this is not something that people come every day. It's not entertaining stuff. It's for educational. But the good thing is that educational content pays more than entertainment. But entertainment content gets much of views, more views. Are you getting it? So don't use your channel to compare, if your educational channel, to compare someone that is doing entertainment, that is doing comedy skits. They cannot get the same number of views. So take that into consideration when you are wondering that your channel is not getting much views. Okay? It is true that people are saying, I have said it, that short is not that good. YouTube shorts because of the royalty. That's my main reason. But sometimes when your channel is going down, you may need to push some shots out there. So create YouTube shorts sometimes when you feel your channel is not getting much view. It can be a boost because YouTube shorts are being promoted more than long form videos. That's the truth at this point as I'm talking to you because it's a new introduction. So YouTube is pushing it to more people. All right. On my channel, I get over 90,000 views on monthly basis. Are you getting it? But out of that 90,000 views, 60% are shorts. I'm not regretting that anyway because it's helping my video to go viral, to get to more people. And when you get to more people, they may end up clicking to watch some other videos. Or if I link it, sometimes I link my main video that I created that short from the long form video. So after watching the short, some click to watch the long form video. So it's a win-win. So if your channel is not getting much view, if the views are drying up, please try out short with your long form videos and see the results you get. Okay, but don't publish that for a very long time. You can do that for just 1 month or for just three weeks. Okay, and you see the results you get. It can help your channel to get to more people and you start getting more views again. All right, then you slow down on the short and focus on the long form videos again. Okay. Consider trends. What is trending at this point in time in your niche is very important. Though it doesn't happen always, but sometimes when that happens, dive into it. iOS 18 has been released in less than 1 week now, compared to now, less than 1 week to the moment I'm talking to you on this video. All right, today is 24th of September 2024. Okay, so it's a new release, and many tech content creators are diving into it. I can't keep quiet. I have to dive into it as well. So I have dived into it and I'm still digging deep into it because it's a trend. So everybody wants to get more views from what is trending at this point in time in their niche. So always have your eyes out there to know when a particular thing is trending in your niche. Then you create video on it. It can give you much views that you need. All right. Then lastly, brother, sister, how long have you been on YouTube to worry about views? It's very important. How long have you been here? Because you see new beginners, they will come in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. They want to have all the views in the world. No, YouTube doesn't work like that. YouTube is not TikTok. Anytime. Have you been helped up to 1 year, a year and 3 months, and you are complaining? Ha! Come on. So YouTube works with time. If you check channels that have been on this platform for the past 10 years, They may have less videos, but they have massive views. Do you know why? Because YouTube treat them as pioneers. There are people that have sustained this our platform before others started coming in, and they're still active to date. Yes, they respect them. So that's one thing you have to consider. It's not when you're here for just 6 months, you're complaining of not getting views. No, I was here for 6 months, nothing was happening. I was getting less than 100 in a day until the 8th month, everything started increasing. So you consider this. YouTube works with time. Be patient and keep pushing your content. Time will come. All those your videos you published in the past, 2 years ago, a year ago. I have a video that's packed up. A video that I published over a year and 6 months now is, in fact, it's one of the top five I have on my channel now. But when I published that video about a year ago, nothing was happening. So that's how the platform works. So please give it time. All right, be patient and keep pushing, and you will get it all. So you get it all and right and grow. So these are my points. So if you can integrate this important information I have on this video, believe me, you will start getting views. And I believe it helps. Okay. Please do subscribe to this channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas, including YouTube education and self-publishing. So do subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you find this video helpful or you have any point to chip in. Please drop it in the comment section. All right. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful. Okay. I recommend it to more people. All right. Please do. Okay. Then watch this video here to learn every vital information you need to know on YouTube content creation as a beginner. Thank you. I see you some other time.